All right, everybody. This is, I guess, week two, words 6 through 10. Last time we did 1 through 5 of the top 20 most commonly used, some of the most valuable used, even words when it was Bible words in Mandarin. We're practicing stroke order. So number one is sim, sim, Xin. So we're watching the stroke order. I'm gonna actually try to draw it out for you on here. Okay. So the first one is Jin, which means people. Then you have that one, two, and then a ko at the bottom. But one more time, down. Okay. And the next one actually begins with that same character, so it's Xin, Xin. Uh, so let's watch it eat up one more time. Okay. Xin means to believe. So 自信, self-belief means like confidence. This one, 信心, which is the word 信心, is faith or trust, kind of. So there are different ways to express trust, but this is probably best translated faith. So this is a character for heart. Let's watch it one more time, and I'll draw it on the board here. So you get the teardrop, the main shape in the middle, one on the side. Okay, one more time. Okay. 信心. This next one is 祷告, which means to pray. So the first character in that is 道. It's a little bit more complicated. So I'm gonna let it play, and then we'll take it stroke by stroke, okay? That's the shun character, if you remember the first part of shun. Okay. So let's play, and we'll pause after that one. Okay, so down. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Let's move down. Okay. Still one more time. So the Shen character, which means God, down, down. Then, okay. So 1, 2, 3, swoop across, down and up, and then up. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and if this looks weird for you, I am left-handed, so remember that. So Gao Gao, that's the first part of it. You might know this Gao from Gao Soup to tell. Okay, this one's much more simple, I think, than most of them done so far. So over, down, and then a coal at the bottom. Let's watch it one more time. Okay. So Dao Gao for pray. Once more. And remember, this is the pure language at time. You can practice these just with a pad, kind of like I'm doing with this board, just on your own. The next word is Jen. Genly, as in the truth. Like I'm the way, the truth, and the life. So Genly, truth. Okay. You might recognize Jin from Jin the Ma, like really, or Jin what? Jin Huan, blah blah blah. I really like it. So cross, over, down, over and down like a ko. And your 3 went across the bottom. Let's watch it one more time. Okay. I'm not sure how clearly you can see the board, but oh, sorry. Okay. Of course, mine need to be spaced a little better. Okay. So Zhen Li. Sorry, Zhen Li. This Li is not like the Li Lian like inside. It's close, but it has a Wang character to the left, the one for king. Okay. So do the king slightly with the angle at the bottom. And then this looks kind of like the other part of Shun, if you remember that, but with the two at the bottom. Okay. So, and then, oh, oh, I messed that up. Sorry. Let's do that again. All the way down there. Yeah. Okay. One more time. Okay. Jen. Okay. Genli for truth. The last one is going to be Sheng Ming. Sheng Ming. Might recognize Sheng from Sheng Hua, to live. You might also recognize it from Chu Sheng, to be born. You might recognize it from Yong Sheng, eternal life. Sheng Ming is life. Sheng Ming. So this one's again fairly simple. Okay. Okay, Sheng Ming. This one might be a new one for you. Make that little roof at the top. This the E, the coal over here, and then down. No, okay. Let's do that one more time. Down, coal, and that kind of P-ish character. Oh, I did in reverse order. So okay, coal, and then all right, me. Okay. Those are characters 6 through 10 on your top 20 list. If you notice, sing and sing repeated. Uh, you'll also notice last time that sheng and shengling repeated. Later on, you'll probably learn, not necessarily in the top 20, but you'll probably learn sheng and shengjing, which means Bible, Holy Bible. So a lot of these characters are going to repeat within other words. Practice that this week, and when we come together for the next Mandarin Club, you'll have the top 10 of the top 20 most commonly used words in the Bible. 好的，谢谢你们，再见。